So today I'm going to show you how the bulk pinner works, and this tool is used if you want to post bulk Pinterest pins and images on your Pinterest account. But before I get into that, let me show you what today's date is. So as of January 11, 2019, the tool is working, and let me prove that. Before you use this tool, you first want to log into your Pinterest account. This is just a testing account for this video, but you want to log into your account and you want to create a board. And to do that, all you have to do is click on your name over here and then the plus sign, and then go to create board, and then you can create a board and follow the steps. So in this case, I have one board for this account, and the board is called testing. And you want to make sure you're logged in, and then you're just going to click on authorize. And then you're going to click on OK, and then click on choose images. And so all you're doing really is you're going to be dragging all the images that you want to use to bulk pin on Pinterest. You're just going to grab all those images, and as you can see, they're showing right here under file name, and then you're going to click on open. Give the tool some time to import all of the images. And then where it says send all images to board, you can choose the board you want to post these images to. In my case, my board is called testing. And this image is taking a little while to load for whatever reason. Okay, so let me see if this is going to work. For the description, you can choose to put unique descriptions in each of the images, or you can use the same description. And to use the same description, all you have to do is type in your description in the very first box one time. So I'm going to put, "This is just a demo." And then I'm going to put the link that the link for this image that I want to use. I'm just going to put Google for right now. And if I want to input this same information in all of these images, you see how this box is blue? You want to make sure you don't have anything blue highlighted, so click on the white portion outside of the box, and then you're going to hold down the shift key on your computer, hold it down, and you're going to press the right arrow key 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, everything has been filled with the same information. And from there, all you have to do, and you can also choose the board name here as well. And from there, all you have to do is the board name is also going to act as the title for the Pinterest image. So from there, all you have to do is just click on pin. Okay. Typically this doesn't happen. I don't know what happened today. And if I refresh this, where it said that I had only 2 pins, now I have 22 pins showing. And if I click on the board, and click on an image, you can see my URL. You can also see the description information that I input. This is just a demo. And if I click on the image, it's going to take me to google.com because that's the URL that I chose for the image, for all the images. And it's just as simple as that. And I already have reasons for why you want to do this on my blog. You can read about it on my sitemap page. And just to show you guys another one, well, as you can see, it says this is just a demo, this is just a demo, this is just a demo, this is just a demo. Look at all of that. So if you go back to Bulk Pinner, I wanted to show you that you're also able to use it like, and if you had like various board names, different boards, you don't have to post everything to the same board. Like you could choose from the drop down list and choose a different board to post certain images to. But I'm just going to enter a unique description for all. Let me see, I'm going to say 1, 2, and then 3. And maybe I'll say Pinterest.com, and the other ones can just stay the way they are. And then I would just click on Pin and refresh. It may or may not work because I had just got done pinning those same images. Okay, so it's not going to work because I had just got done pinning these images off the video. I pinned them right here. So I have to clear everything, choose images, and I'll choose some new images for this demo. Go open, and I'll choose the board. I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, Google.com, Yahoo.com, Pinterest.com, and then I'm just going to pin. So for whatever reason, one of the images were lagging, so I just didn't worry about it. But as you can see, 2 of the images were posted, and they have unique descriptions. And when you're adding your descriptions in, you always want to use your keywords. You know, that's why you always want to use keywords in your board name. And even you want to name your image file something unique. You don't want to keep on posting the same image file because that might make Pinterest want to delete your account if you just keep on. You can post the same image, but it needs to be named something different. And I can show you how to do all of that as well. So let me show you the shortcut key that I use to input all of that unique information, all of the same information. So let me just input something in here. And you see how this is highlighted blue? All you want to do is click out of that on the white portion over here. And then you're going to hold down the Shift key on your computer. Hold it down. And you're going to press on the right arrow 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And it fills all the images with the same information. And to show you, you can also look at your short keys down here where it says Keyboard Shortcuts Available. If you click on the icon, this is the one that I use. I held down my Shift key and I clicked on this 3 times. And that's what makes all the images fill with the same information. Oh, and if you click on A, it says you can add more images. Look at that. PC. Let's see. PC. I have to work with more of those later on, but click on A, you can add more images. And that's all there is to using this tool. And I just want to show you that Pinterest does index your pins. So let me go to Google. And I know that when I was posting to my board, I used the title of my blog post as my pin title. So I'm just going to put that in there, just like that, and then click on enter. And as you can see, it's pulling up all of my indexed pins. And this is not even all the pins that were indexed. It's way more than this, but I'm just trying to show you that Pinterest does index Pinterest pins. Now when I posted this, I never did post it from Pinterest.es. But the way Pinterest works, they index you for different, they index your one image pin as a .es as well. I don't really know why they do it. I don't know if it's for different countries or what. But as you can see, this is my pin. You know, it's linking back to my post. And it's linking back to my post. And if you want to know more about indexification, the tool I use to basically run my backlinks through indexification, you can click on this right here, this video. But yes, as you can see, my pins are getting indexed on Google, and that's what you want, because if it's getting indexed, that means that it's counting, and it's going to give you more of a boost. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something, and if you need to download this tool, you just go to bulkpinner.app. Again, that's bulkpinner.app. And I also want to collaborate with you on Pinterest. So after you don't even have to download this tool. After you go to the website of this tool, you know, send me a message on Facebook, get in contact with me, so that you and I can collaborate on Pinterest. And I speak about that on why you want to collaborate. I talk about that on my blog post, which is right here, my blog page. Pinterest Marketing Join Me Collaboration. So you can read more about that right here.